If your Philips Sonicare toothbrush suddenly stopped charging, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is simple and you can get it working again in just a few steps. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest and most reliable troubleshooting methods to bring your Sonicare back to life. So, stay with me till the end to make sure you don't miss a fix that might save you from buying a new brush. Let's start with the basics. First, make sure your power source is actually working. Plug another device into the same outlet to confirm it has power, and double check that you're using the original Sonicare charger. Some Sonicare models look similar on the outside but use different charging systems, so mixing chargers can stop your brush from charging properly. Next, let's clean the charging area. Over time, toothpaste, water, or bathroom moisture can build up on the base of the toothbrush or the dock. Wipe both surfaces gently with a dry or lightly damp cloth, then let them air dry completely before trying again. Even a small layer of residue can block the charging connection. Once everything is clean and dry, place your toothbrush back on the charger. Make sure it's centered and sitting flat. You can gently wiggle it to ensure it's aligned correctly. And keep in mind, some Sonicare models won't light up right away. It can take up to 15 to 30 minutes before the charging indicator appears, so give it a little time. Speaking of indicators, here's a quick guide. A flashing green or white light means your toothbrush is charging. A flashing orange or red light usually means the battery is low or the brush has detected a fault. If you're still not having any luck, try a soft reset. Hold down the power button for about 5 to 10 seconds until you will hear a beep or see the lights change. After that, place it back on the charger and check if it starts charging again. If the reset doesn't help, try using another compatible Sonicare charger. Borrow one from a family member or check if you have an extra. If your toothbrush begins to charge on a different base, then your original charger is the issue. Now, one important note. Philips Sonicare toothbrush batteries are sealed inside the handle, so replacing them yourself isn't really possible. If your brush is still under the 2-year warranty, Philips may replace or repair it at no cost. And even if it's out of warranty, contacting Philips support or a local repair shop is still worth trying. And that's it. These steps solve most charging issues with Sonicare brushes. If this helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick, reliable tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.